Alright, so I'm a little nervous about this one, mainly because I just hope it doesn't burn real bad. But today we are going to do a chicken pesto cauliflower crust pizza. First is our pesto. So I think I've made this one about a jillion different times. I'm not entirely sure, but whatever. But anyway, we're gonna start with about a cup of flat leaf parsley. Okay, next I'm gonna add about a cup of basil leaves. So 1 cup parsley leaves, 1 cup basil leaves. Okay, then a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then about 2 tablespoons of garlic. And then about a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Okay, and then we're gonna blend it. Okay, and voila, pesto. So, let's go ahead and assemble this pizza. First thing is our pesto. Okay, then I got some leftover grilled chicken. All right, then we're gonna add some sliced red onion to this. All right, and then some mozzarella cheese. And then some finishing touches, some pecorino romano. Okay, bam, out to the pizza oven. Alright, so I'm gonna take this, and I kind of got started, I got a little ahead of myself, but I'm gonna take a little bit left of my pesto, kind of just make it look pretty. It is a chicken pesto pizza. Alright, and there is our chicken pesto pizza. This smells so good right here. Like, I don't know if I want to leave this spot, but let's try it out. Alright, so let's give this a cutsies. Oh yeah. Look at that. Cheers. Oh yeah. Okay, so first off, there's a lot going on. This is, hold on. So I tell you what, I'm getting really good at this whole cauliflower crust thing. It's a little bit of a wet pizza because of the pesto, the moisture in the cauliflower. Not so much the cheese, but the oil from everything. It still holds together pretty well, which is kind of shocking. But this is a very good pizza. Like, this is a very, very solid pizza. It's very flavorful. It's almost, it's not quite light, but it almost is. Like, you would expect it to be pretty heavy and dense with, you know, the cauliflower crust, with the cheese, and even the pesto. It's actually a very light pizza, and I kind of dig it. And the red onions not only add texture, but adds a little bit of a bite. This is phenomenal. It's a little messy, I will say that, just because of all the oil and everything. But yeah, I'm making this many times. Well guys, there you have it, a cauliflower crust pizza done with chicken and pesto. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure you hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.